Hey everybody, today we're going to be getting a free, 100% free version of 2017 Adobe Illustrator right here, right now. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do, my bad, is go on your phone, find Instagram, type in kill_z and follow me. Once you have followed me, you're going to shoot me that message. Boom. When I see that message, I'm going to go to my drive and send you, where is it? Adobe Illustrator straight to your email. You don't have to keep following, but check out my music before you unfollow me. So, yeah. Anyways, this is what's inside the crack and Adobe Illustrator right there. All right there. Isn't it pretty? All right. Let's get out of here. I'll show you how to install now. When you get it, you're gonna get this Adobe Illustrator little zip file. I do not have it for PC, so you can go find another video. So, boom. First thing you're gonna do, Java. Java is needed for any Adobe program. I have no idea why, but you're gonna have to do that. Unpackage it. It's a straightforward installing regular thing. I'm not gonna do it because I already have it. So yeah, you got to do that first and foremost. Anyways, second thing we're gonna do, this is important. So we're gonna open up the crack. We're gonna open up the unpackage of the crack, and here it is. Gonna open that up, and come on. We're gonna open that up, and yeah, this is really important because you got to do this before you open Illustrator. I don't know what will happen if you don't, so just do it and save yourself the headache. Anyways, so now let's unpackage Adobe Illustrator itself, and boom, there we go. It's the regular process of installing any program that you get. Just go through the hoops. Alright, and we're all done. And before you open that up, remember, click the patch button. It's gonna work its little magic. And we're done. So now we're gonna go down and open up Adobe Illustrator. And we're just about done. So I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos just like this with Adobe programs and music programs like Logic and FL Studios. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.